Hey, so I have this live streaming platform and I thought I'm paying for it. I should use it. So I'm going to try out just giving a different tip. And so today's tip I'm going to show you is pinning Chrome tabs. Maybe you're already doing this, maybe not. It's like a lifesaver for me. What I want to have is always my tabs in the same order. So you'll notice here that I have email, calendar, Google Classroom, and a website that you might use frequently. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click. I'm going to right click on the tab. Oh goodness, this doesn't show the right click. All right, well, picture this. When I right click on that tab, it says new tab to the right, add tab to the reading list, add tab to a new group, which that's another tip I'm going to give later. I do like tab groups, move tab to the new window, reload, duplicate, pin, mute site, send to your devices, close other tabs, and close tabs to the right. So the first thing is, please go to your browser and right click on a tab so you can see what I'm saying here. There's some great options and I love using these. I use them all the time. Trying to think, like I use like most of these. And I'm going to choose pin. Now, when I pin it, you'll notice that that tab got really small. So I'm going to pin the next one, right click, pin, right click, pin, right click, pin. Now I'm going to go ahead and browse the internet. So maybe I go to Edutopia. This is not my real browser, so it doesn't autocomplete for me. And I'm going to go to Wayground. So I have my other tabs open, things that I'm doing. Now I'm on a Mac, so I do Command 1 takes me to my email. Command 3 takes me to Google Classroom. Command 2 is taking me to my calendar. Now, if you're not on a Mac, you're going to do Control. So Control 1, first tab, Control 2, second tab, Control 3, third tab, Control 4, fourth tab. And I want to have those all of the time. Now, when you close all of your tabs, so I am going to, well, I'm just going to say close. Right, you close your tabs. Actually, the pin tabs stay when you close those tabs. So they're there all the time. And even when I restart my computer and I open it again, I'm going to have these pin tabs that they're going to be there. So I really rely on having the same thing in the same spot. Now you can, if you click on one, you can drag it and reorder it. You're like, oh, I don't want my email first. I want my grade book or Google Classroom. You can drag those pinned tabs around. Now, if I right click, and again, for whatever reason, you can't see my right click, I'm going to choose duplicate. It does duplicate it as a pinned tab. So if you want that duplicated tab, do you duplicate tabs? I duplicate tabs all of the time. I'm going to unpin so that it doesn't interfere with these are my sites that I do all the time and I want them in the same order. So if I do duplicate one of them, and make sure to right click and unpin them. Control 1 sends me back to that first tab. So I hope this is going to be really helpful for you. If you're not pinning your tabs, I totally encourage you to. Does it work if you go on a different device? No. Now, tab groups does. Tab groups does. Unfortunately, I can't show you with the right click that is an option. When you right click, there is the option for adding the tab to a tab group. Those do show up across devices. So in that case, group tabs are definitely superior. But for the most part, I just use pin tabs because I'm usually on the same device. Okay, so if you have any questions, put them in the comments. Uh, Post me on Blue Sky, Twitter, or the Facebook group, the Teacher Tech Facebook group. I'm a lot of places. So send me a comment and see you next time.